Welcome to our Action Verbs class. Get ready to move, jump, and have fun together. Hey kids! Today we're learning action verbs in the most exciting way. Are you ready to play and learn? Today's adventure is all about action verbs. Let's start learning with fun and energy. Wow! Look at me jumping so high. Can you jump like this too? Come on, let's try together. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Yay, this is so much fun. Can you clap with us? Run, run in place. Faster, faster, wow. Who can run the fastest in your class? Let's dance together, yay. Shake your hands, move your feet. Dancing makes us so happy. Sit down carefully, yay. Let's sit and get ready for the next fun action. Stand up high, stand tall. Ready for more fun? Let's go! Wave hello to everyone. Can you wave too? Say hi with a big smile. Spin, spin, spin around. Whee! This is so much fun. Let's spin together. Jump and clap with me. 1, 2, 3. Yay! We did it! March, march, march in place. Keep your feet moving. Hooray for marching. Hop, hop, hop with me. 1 foot, 2 feet. Hop around. Let's go. Stretch up high, reach for the sky. Feel so tall and strong. Spin and clap together. Fun, fun, fun. Let's keep moving. Touch your toes, stretch and reach. Great job, everyone. Shake hands with your friend. Hello, nice to meet you. High five! Awesome! Let's give everyone a big high five. Bend your knees. Get ready. Are you ready to jump? Tiptoe quietly. Shh. Let's sneak around on our toes. Kick your feet forward. Sideways, up, let's kick together. Slide, slide, slide. Move your arms. Slide to the left, slide to the right.
Clap and stomp with me. 1, 2, 3. Now clap again, stomp again. Woohoo! Great job!
Spin and jump together. Whee! Turn around, jump high. Yes, yes! This is so much fun.
Nod your head.
Yes, yes, yes.
Say yes with a big smile. Keep nodding. Yes, yes, yes. Great job.
Shake your head. No, no, no. Let's shake together. Side to side. No, no, no. Haha, that's so fun. March and clap together. Keep moving, everyone. Left, right, clap, clap. Yes, yes. Keep going. Jump forward. Yay! Big jump. Great job, kids. Now jump again. Up, hop, jump, backward, 1, 2, 3. Look how far we go. Keep jumping back, big steps. Wow, great job. Clap over your head. Yay! Hands up high, great job. Keep clapping up, up, up. Woohoo!
Twist your body side to side. Move and stretch. Fun, fun, fun. Keep twisting left. Keep twisting right. Woohoo! Awesome moves.
Touch your shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Touch again. Great job. Awesome, kids. Keep going. Yay! I can run so fast. Look at me go. Who else can run super quick like me? Run, run. I can fly like a bird. Can you flap your wings and fly with me? Flap, flap, higher, higher. I can jump so high. Try jumping with me. 1, 2, 3. Jump, up, up, up. I am strong. Show me your muscles, kids. Yes, super strong. Flex, flex. I can lift this box. Can you help me lift it too? Teamwork makes us strong. Lift together, up, up, woohoo! I can run in place so quickly. Let's see who runs faster, you or me. Run, 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 keep shh. I can tiptoe so quietly. Can you walk like a sneaky cat? Step by step, slow. I can give a big hug. Come on, give your friend a hug too. Arms wide, squeeze tight. Yay, happy hugs. I can swim like a fish. Can you swim with your arms like this? Splash, splash, swim along. Woohoo! I can crawl like a baby. Who else can crawl just like me? Hands and knees, crawl, crawl. Yay! Run, run. Look how fast we go. Running makes us strong and happy. Keep running. Stretch, stretch, stretch.
Arms wide like a big tree. Stretching feels so good. Reach up high, side to side.
Bend, bend, bend. Touch your toes, kids. Bending keeps us flexible and fun. Down we go, stretch low. Yay! Great job! Point, point, point. Look up high in the sky. Pointing is so exciting. Now point left, point. Spin, spin, spin. Round and round we go. Spinning makes us dizzy and fun. Keep spinning, faster, fast. Wave, wave, wave. Say hello to everyone. Waving is so friendly. Hands up high, side to side. Hop, hop, hop. Left to right we go. Hopping is so much fun. Up and down, side to side. Woohoo! Keep hopping. Crouch, crouch, crouch. Get down low, kids. It's like hiding from a game. Shh, stay small. Woohoo! Great hiding. Shake, shake, shake. Wiggle your arms around. Shaking makes us laugh. Side to side, up and down, so funny. Clap, 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 3 times in a row. Clapping is full of joy. Clap up high, clap down low. Yay, so happy. Kick, 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 kick the ball so high. Playing football is exciting. Kick left, kick right. Woohoo, goal. Lift, lift, lift. Pull your knee to the sky. Lifting makes us strong. Higher, higher, keep lifting. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Make the floor go boom. Stomping is so funny. Stomp left, stomp right. Ha ha, so silly. Flap, flap, flap. Fly high like a bird. Flapping makes us free. Flap your wings up, up, up. Woohoo! Blow, blow, blow. Like a birthday candle. Blowing is so silly and fun. Take a deep breath, blow it out. Woohoo! Yeah! Swing, swing, swing. Round and round we go. Swinging arms feels amazing. Left and right, up and down. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Shake your hips around. Wiggling is so much fun. Side to side, up and down.
Woohoo! Crawl, crawl, crawl. Like a tiny baby. Crawling is so silly. Hands and knees creep along. Yawn, yawn, yawn. Time to rest, kids. Yawning means we need a break. Take a deep breath. Hooray, hooray, hooray! You did all the actions. Great job, everyone. Clap, cheer, jump. Woohoo! Well done, kids. You learned so many action verbs today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to @CynthiaVerSeerFan. Thanks for joining us, friends. See you again with more fun learning. Wave goodbye, smile big, bye-bye. Yay! You did amazing. Keep practicing your action verbs and don't forget to like, share, and
subscribe to @CynthiaVerSeerFan. Don't miss any fun videos. Hit the button, join the fun.